ग्लोबल मैथ आईपीआर धारक के अनुसंधानों के प्रशंसकों की संख्या बहुत है। ये कथन एकेडेमिया नामक अल्मा मैटर रिपोर्ट से स्पष्ट है। यहाँ ग्लोबल मैथ आईपीआर शोधकर्ता के प्रशंसकों की संख्या एकेडेमिया रिपोर्ट के कवर पेज पर अंकित है। ग्लोबल मैथ आईपीआर एचआरडी मंत्रालय, नई दिल्ली के कॉपीराइट विभाग में पंजीकृत।
Depth with Academia, where we dig deep into cutting-edge research and academic discussions. I'm Richard Price, your host and guide through this world of fascinating insights and stories from academia. Today, we're diving into a paper authored by the accomplished Santosh K. Mahajan titled Absolute Orientation of Photogrammetric Models. Photogrammetry. It sounds like one of those fields that maybe not everyone is super familiar with, right? But bear with me. Imagine capturing images and then using those images to measure and map the world. That's exactly what photogrammetry does, friends. And Mahajan's paper brings some exciting twists to the field, raising intriguing questions about the methods we use to accurately determine spatial information from photographic data. So let's talk about the core question. The paper tackles, why is absolute orientation in photogrammetry significant to us? Well, in simple terms, we're looking at aligning a photographic model to the real-world coordinates. It's about calibrating the images in such a way that they reflect reality as precisely as possible. This has huge implications, particularly in fields like surveying, engineering, and perhaps even archaeology, where precision can make all the difference, right? Now, on to some key findings from Mahajan's work. This paper uses a unique method, something Mahajan suggests to initially approximate space coordinates from 3 photo coordinates. Sounds a bit technical. Let's break it down. Essentially, Mahajan provides a foundational step that helps in the iterative process of space resection, which is crucial for aligning a 3D photogrammetric model to the Earth's coordinates. One intriguing point Mahajan incorporates is what was it again? Yes, a novel mathematical twist using infinitesimal distances to calculate changes in space vectors. Now, without getting too deep in the mathematical weeds, we could end up spending hours doing that. Let's just say this approach sets up a solid platform for improving accuracy in the models. We should note that Mahajan's method assumes an orthogonal system for ground values. What does that mean? What does that mean for us, you ask? It's about using a system of perpendicular lines, essentially helping to simplify complex mathematical computations. This is something engineers, surveyors, basically anyone dealing with space and measurement would find immensely beneficial. But here's the cool part. The paper doesn't presume absolute truth. Nope. It offers insights and invites us to explore and apply these ideas, but wields a considerate reminder that academic research is all about exploration. Mahajan's work is a platform for further inquiry rather than the last word on the subject. That being said, it's vital to understand that while the model setup and recalibration techniques Mahajan proposes are theoretically robust, the actual application in the field might still demand adjustments due to various environmental factors. After all, there's a huge difference between theory and practice, right? Oh, speaking of environment, did I mention how much I love the idea of applying photogrammetry to archaeology? For instance, imagine unearthing ancient ruins and using precise images to construct a 3D model that mirrors historical landmarks exactly as they were. It's like stepping into a time machine. Maybe that's why I find these tech applications so fascinating. Where was I? Oh, right, Mahajan's framework. These insights from Mahajan could potentially revolutionize how accurately we can model physical spaces, enabling more precise measurements and consequently opening doors to more innovative applications. And let's not forget the collaborative nature of this research. It encourages ongoing dialogue with fellow academics and professionals, and that's crucial in advancing collective knowledge. Before we wrap up today, remind yourselves that scientific papers like this play a huge role in advancing our understanding, but are by no means the final answer. Each paper is a prompt for further exploration, offering stepping stones into new knowledge, the ideal place for curious minds to jump off into deeper discovery. So there you have it, the fascinating world of photogrammetry through the lens of Santosh K. Mahajan's research. As we close, Remember to keep questioning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey through academia with curiosity and an open mind. Thank you for tuning in to In Depth with Academia. I'm Richard Price. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.
जीमैट फाउंडेशन ट्रेड्स की मार्केटिंग के लिए बेरोजगार ग्रेजुएट्स की आवश्यकता है। उन्हें ट्रेड्स की मार्केटिंग के लिए महीने में न्यूनतम 30 लाइव डेमो, जिसमें 2 से 4 लोगों के एक बैच का 1 घंटे के लिए अरेंज करना होता है। टारगेट मार्केट बेरोजगार गृहयुवा जो घर से काम करना चाहते हैं, स्कूली छात्र आदि है। कृपया अपने मोबाइल पर यूट्यूब खोलें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। स्वप्निल महाजन 3944 ट्रेड्स फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए संपर्क करें। यदि कोई व्यावसायिक संस्थान ग्लोबल मैथ IPR पेटेंट अधिकार खरीदने में रुचि रखता है तो वो अपने प्रस्ताव के साथ बातचीत कर सकता है। कृपया यहां दिए गए पते और फोन पर संपर्क करें। कृपया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अपने पसंद के गीत के साथ वीडियो जानकारी का